Ukraine's drone army working hard, near the front line once a target is spotted by a surveillance drone, usually FPV drones come to take it out, with Russian troops having poor training, often leaving resources and equipment out in the open, with these Ukrainian drone operators about to take out more Russian resources left out in the open, only having trees to somewhat camouflage the boxes of ammunition, sending a drone to cause a small fire, only needing a small ignition to have a chain reaction, burning and blowing up the rest of the ammunition, leaving less